everybody, this is Tay Ho company for another apartment visit. Let's start by the living room. As you can see, this is a spacey place with a sofa, television, little table, big table where you can eat on it. Just right here, the kitchen, which is providing with many furnitures. Those. This apartment gets a Wi-Fi connection, ventilation, and also air conditioning. There is a little balcony. I'm going up and would like to show you the view. It's very relaxing. Let's continue the visit by the bathroom. Right here. The first room, a big bed, 2 places. There is one window, commodity to put your clothes. We are in the corridor to go on the second room. A big bed, 2 places too. So this is the second one. There is a desk and a private bathroom. A little bit more spacey than the first one. Alright, and to finish, the entrance door. That's all for this apartment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.